Students, let us start the second combination of cell, and that is parallel combination. Parallel combination means first cell E1R1 and second cell E2R2, they have both the ends common. That means you can see they are connected here also with each other and they are connected here also with each other. This small r is the internal part of the cell. So we can show it for simplicity outside the cell, but it is actually the internal part. Okay, as we have discussed before also. Now we are interested in finding the equivalent of these two cells. Okay, so how can we replace these two cells by single cell? That we have to find out like this. So E equivalent, that means equivalent EMF of these two, and R equivalent, that means of internal resistance, we have to show in the new circuit. Now our target is to find these two unknowns, E equivalent and R equivalent. We can find these two values by taking the help of facts of series and parallel. We have to start the derivation always with the thing which is not same. And we know that in the parallel, voltage remains same. So voltage of first cell V1 is also V. Voltage of second cell V2 is also V. And the final voltage is also V. But the current doesn't remain same. Suppose the current from the first cell is I1 and current from the second cell is I2, and here at this junction it is added and becomes I, total current. So we have to show here the total current I. This way our starting equation becomes I equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, so the students, remember the fact, we have to start the derivation with the thing which is not same. Numerical we start with the thing which is same, but derivation we start with the thing which is not same. Okay, so we start with the thing which is not same. Current is not same in parallel, so we have started with the current equation. Now this current equation, that means current through each cell, we can find with the help of one cell equation, that is of terminal voltage. This formula V equal to E minus IR, this is applicable for any cell. Now we have to rearrange this formula for I. Okay, so IR will go that side, V will come this side. So E minus V upon R will be the I formula. So current from any cell is always given by this formula in terms of EMF, terminal voltage and internal resistance, three terms. So here also we have to replace each current using this formula, okay, for one by one the cells. So I1, we will write it E1 minus V1 upon R1, I2, E2 minus V2 upon R2. But students, V1 and V2 are same only. All the voltages are same, equal to V. So here we have to write V only. And here it is the total current, that means of final cell. Total current is I. It is E equivalent minus V equivalent upon R equivalent. V equivalent also we have written V only. Okay. Meaning is that in parallel the voltage remains same. So all the voltages we have to show same only. Okay. Now using this single equation, students, using this single equation, we are going to find two unknowns, E equivalent and R equivalent. That is how? That is by comparing the coefficients on both the sides of equation. Let's see how it will be. What we will do, we will separate the V terms. Okay, so you see here V by R1 and V by R2 can be separated, and E1 by R1, E2 by R2 can be separated. So first part of the equation will be E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 here, and on the second part of the equation, since V is common, so taking V minus V common, 1 by R1 and 1 by R2 in addition are left inside the bracket. Here also let us separate V term. so that we can compare later. So E equivalent by R equivalent and V by R equivalent, this we have got. Next step will be that we have to compare the V coefficients. Like here with V, यहाँ V के साथ क्या है 1 by R equivalent और यहाँ V के साथ है 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, यानी ये सेम होने चाहिए. Okay, so in equal sign we will compare the V coefficients. Okay, so 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now you notice here that this is the same equation for parallel combination of resistances. Okay, so since here R1 and R2 are in parallel, so their answer is of R equivalent is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now let us make R equivalent formula. So let us take LCM R1 R2. R1 plus R2 will be in numerator, and let us do one more time reciprocal. So R equivalent will be R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Now how to get E equivalent? So we have this first part. सेकेंड पार्ट कंपेयर करने से हमने R निकाला, R इक्वलेंट, और फर्स्ट पार्ट कंपेयर करने से हमें E इक्वलेंट मिल जाएगा. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या है, E इक्वलेंट अपॉन R इक्वलेंट इज इक्वल टू E1 अपॉन R1 प्लस E2 अपॉन R2. नाउ R equivalent answer we already know. Okay, this one. So we will take it there here by cross multiplication and we will substitute its value. So firstly let us take LCM R1 R2. So E1 R2 plus E2 R1 in the numerator will come. This R equivalent will multiply here and will put its value. So R equivalent value is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. And then you can see R1 R2 is getting cancelled. What is finally left? That is E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2. So this is our answer of E equivalent. Okay. So very simple steps are there for finding the parallel answer. What you have to remember? I से start करना है derivation. फिर I का फॉर्मूला लिखना है E minus V by R for each cell. So for each cell we have written like this. Then we have to separate V and other than V term separated. Then compare V term first. So R equivalent answer will come, and compare E term so that E equivalent answer will come. Okay. Now we'll see one example. Now suppose 3 volt 4 ohm cell and 4 volt 1 ohm cell, they are connected in parallel and we have to find what is their equivalent answer. R equivalent and E equivalent answer, यानी इन दोनों सेल्स को जो पैरेलल में है उनको सिंगल सेल से कैसे रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. सो कैसे रिप्लेस करेंगे, फॉर्मूला. E इक्वलेंट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, क्रॉस में होता है E1 R2 प्लस E2 R1, यानी ऐसे E1 को R2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और E2 को R1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अपॉन में क्या आता है, R1 प्लस R2. ओके, सो लेट अस पुट डाउन. इस सर्किट के लिए 3 इंटू 1 एंड 4 इंटू 4 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, अपॉन में रेजिस्टेंसेस ऐड किए 4 प्लस 1. आंसर इज कमिंग 19/5 वोल्ट. तो इक्वलेंट EMF आया 19/5 वोल्ट और इन दोनों का इक्वलेंट रेजिस्टेंस क्या आएगा. सो रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल में है, पैरेलल में क्या होता है 4 इंटू 1 अपॉन 4 प्लस 1. ओके, दिस फॉर्मूला इज देयर. सो 4 इंटू 1 अपॉन 4 प्लस 1, 4/5. सो रेजिस्टेंस कितना हुआ, इक्वलेंट 4/5 ओम. ओके, अगर कोई सेल उल्टा लगा हुआ है, जैसे नेगेटिव पहले है, तो उसको 3 की जगह -3 पुट करना है फॉर एवरी फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टर्मिनल वी विल अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. तो फॉर्मूला क्या है पैरेलल के लिए, E1 R2 प्लस E2 R1 अपॉन R1 प्लस R2. ओके, अगर दोनों सेल्स इक्वल वैल्यू के पैरेलल में लगे हुए हैं, जैसे 3 वोल्ट और 3 वोल्ट, तो उसका इक्वलेंट आंसर भी 3 वोल्ट ही आएगा. ओके, अगर सारे डेटा सेम है तो. दैट्स इट.